So usually I always make content that are useful to my patients, to increase the knowledge and, to safeguard their teeth and health. But there is something that has been sitting with me for a while, so I thought I should make a reel on that. So here it goes. Few days back, 23-year-old patient walked in my clinic and she needed braces. So we talked, we discussed her treatment plan and she agreed to do the treatment. So we did the initial scan, we took photographs, we made the cast, we did the initial cleaning also, and she paid us a token amount. And then she left. So what happened is, next day her mother calls up and she says that हमें दूसरी जगह better price में treatment मिल गया है तो हम वहीं करवाएंगे. Good, fine, that is their right. But then like my staff told her that ma'am, there were some costs involved, so we'll deduct some amount and then rest of the amount will refund it to you. To this she said that आपने अभी तक किया ही क्या है. This sentence has stayed with me for almost a week now. आपने किया ही क्या है? To answer this, मैंने initial scaling किया है, cleaning किया है, treatment plan किया है. I have almost to a millimeter. मैंने tooth positions decide किए हैं कि how the treatment will go. I've taken the X-ray, I've taken the scan, I've taken initial photographs so that the patient is comfortable for future appointments, right? So apart this, scanner is expensive, my chair is expensive, the X-ray is expensive. But the most expensive thing here is me. The skills that it took me not to make any mistakes when I'm doing all these things to my patient. So I refunded the whole amount to her, but this has stayed with me. And, but then 5 minutes later, another patient walked in and the patient will need the same amount of care and attention. So of course, we switch off, then we take care of the other patient. But then this is not right. When you go somewhere, there is some amount that is involved.